Welcome to Shortview Traders, your 1 minute market hit for Wednesday the 22nd of January. What matters today for traders? Well, after Monday's wobble in the S&P 500, markets found their feet again yesterday with some strength in Asia overnight. But clearly standing back from it all, the medium-term indicators have a very clear message. We're showing you now the S&P's divergence from its 200-day moving average, illustrating it's very overextended to the upside. And you can see on the first chart there's only been one other signal in the last few years, back in Jan 2018, just before that major pullback. Widening the chart out as we are doing now, looking at the last 10 years, there's only 6 occasions when it's become this overstretched relative to its long-term trend. So it's quite clear it's very overstretched. If you look at the first 5 years of that chart, the third chart we're showing you now, you can see that those signals tend to be reasonably timely. Once you get over 2 standard deviations, you're pretty close to having a sort of multi-week consolidation or indeed give back phase. So the medium-term models have a clear message. You see that on the Colvin model as well, which looks at the overextendedness across a range of global assets up at extreme high sell levels. So that message is consistent. Some of our short-term models are there as well. So we're cautious near term. For a full analysis of how we're approaching these markets in the short term, please see today's Daily Rag, available on the website and to subscribers. So what are we watching today? 4 key things. US fourth quarter earnings season continues. Not the most important stocks in the world, but some interesting S&P stocks nonetheless, including Texas Instruments and Johnson & Johnson. Secondly, the Bank of Canada has an interest rate decision out at 3 o'clock. No change expected there. Thirdly, in terms of macro data across the world, there's UK industrial survey from the CBI later this morning in London, and then US housing data this afternoon will be watched closely. Existing home sales and house prices, particularly if there's further confirmation of that housing upturn in the States. And then finally, we're also Davos, of course, continuing. There's no big names speaking today that we're aware of, but of course something to keep an eye of in the background. So that was your 1 minute market hit for Wednesday the 22nd of January. Please do subscribe on Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube or Facebook. Thank you.